Welcome to the virtual tour of this beautiful Houston, Texas home. It awaits you with 4 bedrooms, 3 and 1/2 bathrooms, 2 stories with lots of privacy. It was built in 1979 and has a 2-car garage. Look at this amazing home. Entertaining will never be the same with this outside area. It's perfectly situated in Barker's Landing, the neighborhood. It did not flood during Harvey. This home sits 6 feet above maximum level when the gates were open. Commodore Way boasts many highly desirable characteristics. Large windows, wood floors, that's just a few. Let's get on the inside so you can see for yourself. The wood floors are upstairs and downstairs. There's an amazing family room with that fireplace and views of the backyard. When you first enter the home, you're greeted by the private and spacious pool, which is different. Normally it's in the backyard, but you have all that space in addition to a pool. This dine-in kitchen is amazing. There's also a wet bar. This home was built for entertaining. Located within walking distance to highly rated restaurants, close to the energy corridor. It's also zoned to Katy ISD schools. The neighborhood is serviced by Metro Addicts Park and Ride. This home has so much to offer and is move-in ready, with amazing cabinets and a beautiful tile backsplash in the kitchen. The family dining room is large, with a gorgeous chandelier. The wood floors continue, and they're so impressive. Down the hall, you'll find an amazing master retreat, complete with those wood floors and a separate room and a custom-built desk. Could be used for an office or anything that you prefer. There's granite countertops, balanced bedroom to bathroom ratio. There's even a sauna in the master. Experience all the amazing amount of square footage and custom build-ins. 2,992 square feet under the roof. 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 1/2 bathrooms. So much beautiful space for your family to enjoy. An abundant amount of natural light in the family game room with custom build-ins at the top of the stairs. There's plenty of green space in the backyard. With a covered patio, kids or pets can run around, and you can truly enjoy being outside in the privacy of your own Houston, Texas home. Contact the listing agent right away to make this your next home.